Welcome, friends, to Kids Zone with Trishy. Once upon a time, in a lush green garden, there lived a tiny caterpillar named Charlie. Charlie was content munching on leaves and crawling along the branches of the trees. But he always wondered what lay beyond the garden. He dreamed of exploring the world and experiencing new adventures. One day, as Charlie was basking in the warmth of the sun, he noticed a beautiful butterfly floating gracefully above him. Mesmerized by its vibrant colors and graceful flight, Charlie felt a deep longing within him. He wanted to become a butterfly too, to be able to soar through the sky and discover the wonders of the world. Filled with determination, Charlie embarked on a journey of transformation. He spun a silky cocoon around himself, sealing himself off from the outside world. Inside the cocoon, Charlie underwent a profound metamorphosis, a complete change from the inside out. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. Charlie's body underwent remarkable changes, and he could feel his wings growing stronger every day. It was a challenging and uncomfortable process, but he remained patient, knowing that something extraordinary awaited him. Finally, the day arrived when Charlie felt ready to emerge from his cocoon. With great effort, he broke free. His body transformed into a beautiful butterfly. His wings were delicate and adorned with vibrant patterns, reflecting the colors of the rainbow. Charlie was overwhelmed with joy as he flapped his wings for the first time. As he took flight, Charlie realized that he had indeed become a butterfly, capable of exploring the world beyond the garden. He flew over meadows, mountains, and rivers, witnessing the wonders of nature firsthand. The world had opened up to him in ways that he had never imagined. Through his transformation, Charlie learned an important lesson about the power of change and personal growth. He realized that by embracing change, he had unlocked his true potential and achieved a level of beauty and freedom he had only dreamed of before. The story of the butterfly's metamorphosis teaches us that change is not always easy or comfortable. Like the caterpillar, we may need to go through difficult periods of transformation to reach our full potential. But just as the caterpillar emerges as a butterfly, we too can experience incredible transformations in our own lives. If we embrace the change, it reminds us that personal growth requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to let go of old ways. By stepping out of our comfort zones and embracing the unknown, we can discover new strengths, talents, and possibilities within ourselves.